Okay, y'all, this is part of my stuff that I've canned. This is a super long shelf in the bedroom. The rest is still in the kitchen. I'm bringing these in. That needs to go somewhere. But I need carrots. I'm making stew. So I'm making stew, so I need carrots. I need red potatoes. See these? Don't do russets. Look at that. That's nasty. Don't do it. The only thing that might be good for is mashed potatoes. Let's see, what else do I need? Okay, now I have to cut up an onion. Okay, I have these. My pork, my potatoes, my carrots, my broth. I'm about to cut my onion and I'll bring y'all back. Okay, I'm putting some avocado oil in the bottom. Turn this on medium high. Okay, and I threw my onions in there, and I realized I haven't been doing videos. Lately, but I had dental surgery, so I'm trying to get back at it. And KJ's trying to talk to me while I'm trying to make a video. So I'll bring y'all back. is dessert that I'm making next. So it calls for 1 cup of melted butter, which was 2 sticks. And it calls for 2 cups of sugar. This is 1/4 of a cup. There's 1/4. Half. That's a lot of sugar. 2, 3, 4. And 4 eggs. This is 4 eggs that I had frozen. I whisked them up and froze them. They're partially still frozen. Kinda. I just take them and squeeze them out of the bag. Okay, that's mixed. Then I want to add 4 teaspoons. A teaspoon, yes. 1, 2, 3. I know I already put one of the other ones, but it'll be alright. So this is homemade vanilla extract. Stir that up. And this recipe came from Holler Homestead, by the way. So I need to give them credit for it. Ooh, that smells like straight up alcohol. Three years later. Then I need to put 2/3 of a cup of cocoa. Okay. 1/3. Get some more cocoa. Whisk that up. And she said this will be like a fudgy type brownie. Okay, then after the cocoa is flour. Flour, I need 1 cup. 1 cup of flour. And 1/2 of a teaspoon of salt. I'm just going to do pink Himalayan salt. I'm just going to guess at it. Looks about right. And 1/2 of a teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon. Okay, let me try this again. My camera was full and the camera shut off. So I mixed in all of the ingredients I just said. And here's the batter. Then you want to grease your pan. I have spray. Don't breathe it in. want to get one of those sprayers that you put regular oil in and then it sprays out instead of having to buy that aerosol from the store. Then just put your batter in a 13 by 9 pan. This is close. This might be a little bit smaller. Spread it out. And I already have the oven on because I'm making cornbread to go with our stew. Just had the kitchen cleaned up. Now I'm going to have to clean it again. And bake it in a 350 degree oven for about 35 to 45 minutes. Okay, I forgot to film before we dug into this last night. This is all that's left of the cornbread. I don't even think I showed the cornbread, but that was a 8 by 8 pan and that's what's left. This is the brownies, and obviously we've eaten a few for dessert, but they turned out really good. And so this was not a recipe. This I just threw together, and I actually added rice. I added a cup of rice in the broth and let it cook down. And I also added 2 cans of, which was not home canned, of cream of corn, or cream style corn to this as well. So this is it. So I appreciate y'all watching, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and yeah, make sure you subscribe to follow me on future videos so you see them. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Be blessed.